All right, got these out of the evaporust and rinsed them off in some water. And I think that's rusted pretty heavily, but we'll see. Just need to clean them. I mean, really and truly, all I have to do is probably coat these in oil and use them. They're usable just like it is. But I'm going to put it on the wire wheel, and then I'm going to file and get the grooves cleaned up, sharp again, good and sharp, so you'll grab some pipe. This 12-inch and a 10-inch are about the two most popular size. They're just good to use. Anyways, let's go to the wire wheel and see what we come up with. All right, oops, let's try to clean up some of these grooves a little bit. You can see how pitted the grooves are. I don't know if you guys can see, it's actually, it does sharpen, it does work, just takes a little bit of time, a little effort. And I don't think this was dull by any means. I think what it is just pitted, rusted bad. So I'll finish this up and probably paint the handle. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna blue this one. This sharpened up pretty good. The teeth are pitted, a lot of them are pitted, but it still has a sharp, I can feel it's catching the skin, so that should grab pipe just fine. Just gonna blue this. I'm gonna blue the jaw on the main body too, but I painted the rest of the handle. I'm almost out of this stuff. Might as well finish it up. I've got a couple of tools I'll go ahead and blue with first. Let me wash this down. I might as well blue both of these here up. I'm using carburetor cleaner. I've said before you can use denatured alcohol. That's what's recommended. I use carburetor cleaner. It cleans. See what I'm saying? It cleans. Carburetor cleaner is what I use because I have a lot of it and I like it. Always get comments about that. I don't know how this will take. This has been beat up pretty good. Try not to blue the inside just because it's hard to brush in there. All right. And this is not going to be the best job ever. And not worried about it because this is the old pipe wrench. It has been around for a while. It's been abused. Whoever had it before didn't really take care of their tools. More than likely they put it in a bucket of water, bucket with their other tools in the back of a pickup truck and got wet. That's probably why it's pitted so bad. I do know a plumber, that's what he does. All his tools go in a bucket, 5-gallon bucket, and he carries them out of his truck, his job truck. I don't know why, because he's self-employed. I don't know why he doesn't take better care of his tools, but that's just the way he is. My dad would have smacked me upside the head if I'd carry my tools around in a 5-gallon bucket and leave them lying around like that in the back of a bed of a pickup truck. It's all right to and from a job, but take them out of put them up. Put them somewhere where they don't get damaged. I don't know what these pipe wrenches sell for. I think I got $1 in this one. Well, I know I do. It was on the $5 table, and I bought it out of the pawn shop. And when I bought this and another pliers or something, I put up there, and she charged me $2 for both items. And this was on the $5 bin. So, and it was rusted pretty good. I mean, you could see that somebody hadn't taken care of it. I gotta order some more bluing. I cannot get bluing in the town I live in. Nobody carries it. And someone said, Walmart. I have the most redneck, goofy Walmart I've ever seen. So, yeah, they barely carry food here. Half the time the shelves are empty. One of the worst Walmarts I've ever been to. I can't remember where we were at. I went to their Walmart, and their Walmart was nice. Oh, Canton, Texas. That Walmart there was pretty nice. And it's smaller than the one we've got. Except it was all automatic checking. I do have some, I don't remember what brand of bluing. I got another brand of bluing, but you're supposed to rinse that. I don't like rinsing it. This stuff here, you just wipe it off. All right, let me, well, let's go ahead and run some 4/0 steel wool over this. You can see the pitting. See, it shines up. I mean, it'll give it protection. This wrench here has got its life. It's got life left. I think what I'll do here is use the brass brush on it. Look there. Cleans up nice. Here, let's use the brass brush right here. See what that kind of looks like. Yeah, brass brush does a good job. Just like, it seems to work just like the 4/0 steel wool. Yeah, not bad. Dull that is. There you go. Look at there. Makes a difference. See there. I mean, it's not a gun barrel. I mean, come on, it's just it's an old tool. There, brightens it up a little bit. Works good. I'm happy with it. Might as well use the brass brush on the rest of it. I've already more than halfway now. I'm going to have to buy some more brass brushes. This one's getting on its end here. Can't get down in the corners there. Got a little sheen to it. I'm gonna put some oil on it, let it sit outside. Should be just fine. Should be just fine. I mean, I could put another coat on it, but I doesn't need it, I don't think. Oh shoot, I need to wipe this down. Gotta hurry up and get this done. I gotta smoke a roast, cut it up, make some chopped beef out of it tonight. Instead of using oh shoot, I'm thinking of the meat here and I can't think of it. Brisket. Instead of using brisket, I use roast and make chopped beef out of roast. I just smoke the roast and then chop it up, make chopped beef out of it. Alright, let's just coat oil. Probably going to put too much oil on this now because I'm going to have to wipe. In the teeth part, there's no way I'm going to be able to. I'm wondering if I use a toothbrush. That might work better. Hang on. I don't want to waste the oil if I don't need to. Yeah, this will work. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, I got way too much oil on this side. I got a piece of metal out there just sitting in the sun. And this should heat up pretty good today because I think it's supposed to be in the 90s today and 92, 93 degrees. So there we go. Oh. Let this sit outside and dry in the sun. All right. I'll be back a couple hours, see what it looks like. Well, I'll give it about 5-6 hours. All right, ladies and gentlemen, got a little time after work. I'm gonna finish putting this back together, and I blued this end. Still got a couple little dents and dings, but it's pretty sharp compared to what it was before. And so, let's put this together. Put a little grease down in here where this spring sits, just because I can. Spring sits down on this side. Put a little grease on this. Really doesn't need it. Problem I'm going to have now is pushing that in there and pushing that spring down. There's probably a better way of doing this. I just don't know it. I use a flat blade screwdriver. Once I get it started, then I'll take a pair of needle nose pliers and push it in until it locks in place like that. That's it. Then slide this down in there. There we go. Painted that sunrise red, and then just blued this, and blued that. Not a bad wrench. Teeth are sharp. I filed them down, pretty good condition. Oiled this up. Let it sit outside, and it's not oily. I guess the oil evaporates, but it just gives it a better sheen. It looks better than that right there. That is what I had here on the table when I was greasing it. But anyways, there we go. Not a bad little wrench for 12-inch Ridgid tool company. I think I got $1 in this. Well, wait a minute. No, it was on, yeah, $1. It was on the $5 table, and she sold it to me for $1. And it's a good Ridgid 12-inch, heavy duty. The jaws were mangled a little bit, but heck, now it's in good condition, good shape. But there you go. That's what $1 can buy you. Little patience, a little cleanup. I meant filing the teeth down. They're in good shape now. I probably could have left it the way it was and just used it. Maybe filed the teeth down, but I don't know. I got to make my tools look good. They're in my toolbox. I clean them up. That works just fine, perfect. Spring's good, works in good, nothing wrong there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, tell me what you think. Give me thumbs up, thumbs down, and yeah, subscribe if you would. It helps the channel out. And all I do is find old junky tools and, yeah, you know, bring them back to a good working condition. They're not art pieces by any means or show pieces, but it's a usable tool here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, y'all have a good day. Thanks.